Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and bright sunflower crochet earring pattern. It's a fun and beginner friendly design that's perfect for adding a cheerful touch to your handmade jewelry. I'm going to start with this brown color for the center of the flower, and we will start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end. Again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. And this is the slip knot. And then I'm going to chain 4. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. 3 and 4. And then I'm going to go into the very first chain of the foundation and work a slip stitch to join the round. So we will go into the very first chain, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. That connects the chain, and you can see here in the middle we have a hole, and on the first round I'm going to work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches, so you don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. And I'm going to chain 2 in the first round, 1 and 2. After that we are going to go into the center of this and work 16 double crochets into the center. So to make the double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the center, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. I will show you once again. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets into the ring. Just like that we will complete up to 16 double crochets. This is the 3rd double crochet. 4, 5, 6, 15 and 16. Now we have completed 16 double crochets into the ring, and then I'm going to go into the stitch on top of the very first double crochet and join the round with a slip stitch. Now if you are not sure what the stitch on top of the first double crochet is, you can just start counting the stitches from here, from the hook. So that is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. This is going to be the 16th stitch from the hook. So we are going to go into that stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to leave a little tail for about 1 inch and cut the yarn off. After that we can use the yarn needle to hide the tail. And this is what it looks like. And then we will create the petals of the flower. I'm going to create the petals in yellow color. So to join the yarn, I'm going to insert the hook into any one of the stitches around and then pull the yellow yarn through the stitch like so. Now we have a loop on our hook. I'm going to pinch the tail like this to the piece, and then we are going to chain 1 to secure. After that, work 1 single crochet into the very same base stitch. So I'm going to insert the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. And on this round also I'm going to work over this tail so that you don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. Now I'm going to go into the very next stitch over here and work a double crochet into the very next stitch. Again, 1 more double crochet into the very same stitch. Go into the very same stitch and work another double crochet. Now we will work a treble crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. This is a treble crochet. And then chain 2. Now I'm going to go into the base stitch over here into both the loops and work a slip stitch. So we will insert the hook into the 2 loops in the base stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed a tip of the petal, and then go into the very same stitch and work a treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again, we need to go ahead and work 2 more double crochets into the very same stitch. Into the same stitch, 1 and 2. All the stitches into the second stitch, and then go into the very next stitch over here and work a single crochet. So insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. With that, we have completed our first petal, and then create the next petal. So we need to just repeat the same pattern. Go into the very next stitch here and work 2 double crochets, one and 2. Again, 1 treble crochet into the same stitch, chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the base stitch, again 1 treble crochet into the same stitch, 2 double crochets into the same stitch, 1 and 2. Now we need to go ahead and work 1 single crochet into the very next stitch. Now we have completed 2 petals over here. Just like that, we will continue working the other petals as well. We need to complete another 6 petals. I'm at the end of the round, and then we need to work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to join the round. So we will insert the hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed all the 8 petals of the sunflower. And then I'm going to chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that, use the yarn needle to hide the tail here. And then just repeat the pattern and complete the second piece as well. After completing both the pieces, I'm going to attach the pieces together to complete the earrings. Now what I'm going to do is take one of these small jump rings, open it up using your pliers, and then slide the jump ring through this point of the petal. And then we can insert the bead like this, and this is completely optional to insert a bead over here. You can even attach the hook ear wires instead of the bead. And then I'm going to take the hook ear wires and attach it at the top of the bead like this. With that, we have completed the first earring. Just like the same, we will complete the second piece as well. And that's how you make this beautiful sunflower crochet earring. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crochet patterns. You can find all the materials I used through the Amazon links in the description box below, and the full PDF pattern is available on my Fourthwall shop if you'd like to save it for later. Also, make sure to follow my Facebook page HiruHandmade Crochet to share your creations, request patterns and stay connected with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!